corn. So before purchasing your corn on the cob, always take a peek at the kernels to see if they're yellow and plump, which indicates ripeness. The fact that the tip of the husk is wrinkled and bruised is not a good sign. We always want to take a look at the kernels underneath. First, I'll begin by topping and tailing. I'll then make a slit vertically and unravel the corn's husk. There's a ton of silk throughout the kernels, but you can simply brush it off with your fingers. Cool fact, corn silk is actually used in medicines and has many properties that fight inflammation. And there is our cleaned corn on the cob. Now with the husk, you can make Mexican tamales, so no need to throw them away. Next, I'll slice my corn in half so we can stand it up safely. I'll then begin to shave off the kernels, making sure I use a seesaw motion with my knife. And if the kernels appear stuck, they can easily be separated by your hands. And with the actual cob, you can make a corn stalk or include it into a vegetable stock. And that is our corn broken down.